on campus. Like, I just wish we just get involved with something. I always feel like it's something.
I'm playing Angry Birds. I'm having so much fun over here.
Seriously, come on. You don't figure I'm gonna go over that.
Hey Les, what's up? No way! For real? I never knew that. That's so interesting. Alright, I'll call you back. I have to tell my friend Naja about this.
What?
My friend Les just called me. She's a Green and Gold Guide on campus. She told me there's over 500 organizations on this campus.
Stop playing.
I promise.
Like what?
Like the Green and Gold Guides, they're actually a student organization. And there's the Peanut Butter and Jelly Club.
What?
All they do is make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and they get to eat them. There's also other kind of organizations, like you could do volunteer work or community service. You could help out in schools, like the Cancer Center on campus. Yeah, it sounds like it should be a lot of fun. We should really try to get involved.
So do you suggest?
Maybe the Green and Gold Guys.
Alright, let's do it.
We'll never be bored again.
Sounds like a plan.
Hello. Nothing, just on Facebook. What you doing? Man, you know I can't go out with y'all. I just had knee surgery. Y'all have fun, man.
Hey, Christine, what's up? How you doing?
Man, I'm alright. How you doing?
I'm good. What's new?
Oh, my friends just be getting on my nerves. They always come out. Let's go out. Let's do this. Let's have fun. They know I can't do nothing with my knee all messed up. So I don't see why they just don't leave me alone and not even bother calling me. I just wish there was something I could do where I could just like sit and chill and be with my friends, but not really have to be up and moving around like that, because I can't do nothing like that.
So why don't you join Relay for Life?
Relay for Life? I just told you I can't be on my knee like that, so I can't run in a relay race.
Wait. No. I think got it twisted. Hold on. Relay for Life is a really big event for fundraising and awareness.
Oh, for real? Awareness and fundraising for what?
Cancer.
Oh, how do they fundraise for it?
Well, our group has cupcakes and water bottles, and that's what we'll be selling.
Oh, maybe I could sell cupcakes and water bottles.
Definitely.
Oh, let's do it.
Yes.
How long does it last?
Well, it's all night.
All night?
All night.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
And here is number 2. Team captain. Woo-hoo! Go to team. So proud of our team captain. So, all right.
One of my team members.
That was okay. Now, Les, let's do this here. All right, Les. Oh God, you're so beautiful. Are you being sarcastic? No, you're so beautiful. Hello. Say you love G3, man. Say you love G3. I love G3.
I love G3.
Woo! Yeah. Oh, the Green and Gold guys. Yeah.
All right. So I'm actually wide awake right now. Like these two are tired.
Someone had we have Joey, we have Megan, and our team captain asleep on my sleeping bag. But it's okay. It's okay. More excitement, people. Woo! Nadim. Wait, you know what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna come into the tent. We're gonna come into the tent. Hello, everyone. Hey, Joey. We are the champions. We are. Okay. Megan. Did you enjoy your night? Good. She like just woke up. And Nadim, team captain. Snaps for Nadim, everybody. Snaps for Nadim. Okay, alright, so as you can see, hope we had a great time in relay. We're definitely gonna do this next year because we already signed up for it next year.
Oh, we did?
Yeah. Oh, well, right, Nadim, we signed up again, right? Yeah, we did. Yeah. So we're totally gonna do this again. And now we're gonna pack up the tent. Okay.